Good morning, traders. It's Chris here at thetradingmentors.com and a very warm welcome to 2024. This is Tuesday, the 2nd of January. Of course, it's quiet. It's the first trading day of the year, and so we don't expect much to go on. But I want to quickly go over the markets just to help you and guide you in terms of which direction the dollar is going and so on. This is not a full market update. That is for VIP members only this afternoon once we got more volume coming through the markets during the New York session. So I'm delighted to welcome you to the early morning briefing, which is brief, but nonetheless, hopefully valuable to you. The DXY 101.44 is in a high liquidity zone. What this means is we do have a massive downtrend going on. We have all the sellers in on the advanced pro charts, and we have a very nice swing high. This is a high liquidity zone because it's coming back up to the 50 EMA and it's going to start rolling over in the next few hours. This means that the euro dollar, the pound US dollar, US Swiss are all going to start to move in the coming hours. It might take a while because of low volumes, but this is looking really good. In terms of the Japanese yen futures, this is very mixed indeed. So we're going to be focusing on the US dollar Bitcoin. Thanks to the heads up from Dave this morning. Thank you, Dave. Has gone parabolic to the upside. So I'll do more detail on this later on this afternoon for members, but we are expecting something like this to happen, and then going up to a much bigger number, up to 51,678. So let's have a look at the euro dollar. The euro dollar now is no longer parabolic. This has got change of character to it, so therefore it is not tradable under our terms and conditions. So what I mean by this, you see this has gone red here, so that's a change of character. It's still above the 50 EMA, so it probably will go up, but nonetheless there are better trades to be had. Pound USD is still parabolic to the upside, so this is red hot. This is now hitting a liquidity zone where there's likely to be a bounce in the coming hours. Have to be patient with the markets this week. We've got non-farm payroll, don't forget. So it's one of those weeks where you have to trade a little bit carefully and cherry pick the trades that you want to get into. Don't trade all the dollar pairs. It doesn't make sense. Just cherry pick the ones, and this is my favorite for this morning. US Swiss looking really, really nice. I just love these charts and they're so clear and precise. We can see that we got a swing high. It's not hitting a liquidity zone, which is up here. This is where all the sellers will be coming in the next few hours. So you probably could find that it comes deep into this area before it sells off. As long as it's holding on to market structure, then we can expect a fall. But I like this stochastic here. This is highly accurate. We're likely to see a rollover in the coming hours. US yen, we love the US yen. We're still in that. If you're still in that, congratulations. We've had quite a few trades on this one, and it's going to roll over, there's no doubt about this, to 138.80 in the next few hours. US Canadian, similar situation, but this is a much better trade. Needs to pull up a little bit into this area here, 132.80, somewhere like that, to retest the 50 EMA. So there's some fantastic trades setting up. The Swiss are looking good as well. Let's go to the pound Swiss. Congratulations if you traded that previously. We've now got to pull back. It's not into a liquidity zone, so this is not ideal, but nonetheless there could be a rollover in the next few hours, so look out for that. And that's it. There's going to be some more volume coming in this afternoon, so we'll get some fantastic trades. Oh, gold, of course, it's rallying. We've got a lovely swing low here. I'm waiting for a pullback before I go long. Volumes are very light this morning, so we're probably going to see a pullback down to 2068, somewhere like that, before we go long. But this is heading for 21.42. Have a good morning. My favorite trade for this morning is the pound USD. Others are lining up lovely.